Okay, so if you've been online recently, you've seen how viral those edits are of these fast cuts, high-paced edits, whether it be from movies or sports or whatever it may be. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a brief example of how I would add those cuts and flashes on your phone using Filmora. Let's get right into it. Okay, so as you guys can see here, I have a clip open in Filmora. It's just a random clip of me. Now, firstly, I'm not gonna make a whole edit. I'm simply just gonna choose a clip and show you how to add the effects that you want to make those edits. So firstly, what you wanna do is you wanna press on the clip, and then here at the bottom, you wanna scroll until it says effect. Now here, there's basically all you have to know. So you have that viral flashing effects, you have, as you guys can see there, that you can use. You have slow zooms, you have fast zooms, you have zoom bounces, you have motion tracking, you have spinning. I mean, there is so many stuff. I mean, you can basically do your entire edit just from this page. And then you have your basics, your opening and closing, cinematics, lens, motion. I mean, there I can go on forever basically. So once you have the effect that you like and you have chosen that effect, let's say this one right here, and then you'll see it will pop there at the bottom, and I think it looks pretty cool with this clip. Now another thing you can add is also your filter. It's very important. Now, as you may notice, those filters and those edits usually have a high contrast, like a lower, darker. So you can basically just search for whatever you want. You can even adjust it manually if you really wanted to. And then once that is also complete, then you can obviously go to your audio tab, where you can add the effects you need to make those filters and those edits happen. Okay, so there you have it. That was a very brief example of how you go about mastering those edits and just to add some effects in your videos using Filmora Mobile. If you enjoyed this video, a sub to the channel would be awesome, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.